Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create infographics using Canva. Let's get started. So once we are here on our Canva account, we can notice the different templates that we can use. So just like for example, if we're going to create an infographics, we're just going to type that one in on the search icon. So just like for example, we have here infographic. So we're going to click that. And basically, we will be routed to the different infographic templates available at hand. So we're just going to scroll down then and look for the perfect template that we can use in order for us to create our own. So we're just going to scroll down. So just like for example, okay, so I'm just going to check and look for the perfect design. So just like for example, if we believe that this is the perfect design, then we can go ahead and click this. And right after that, we're just going to click customize this template. We're going to click that one. And right after that, basically, we now have the opportunity to enhance or somehow edit the content of this infographic. So this time, let's try to change or do the modification of this particular template. So just like for example, order of operations. So we can change this one to process of enrollment. So we can change that one. And instead of this, we can put this one as 1. And we can remove this somehow and input the first process. Do the pre-enrollment. So you can do that. And right after, we can also include or put some element. So just like for example, surprise. You can use that one as a keyword. So you can click see all. Okay, you can use this one perhaps and resize that and move the one here. So right after, we can put this one as number 2. Go pay for the enrollment fee. So we can use maybe a money as our element. So this one, we can resize that and move this one closer. On number 6, say congratulations. Congratulations, you are now officially enrolled. And we can use an element, happy. So use that, or use this one. All right, so basically we're done with the different steps or process of the enrollment. So we can maybe somehow change the color or the background of this file. So that one, or maybe the color of the institution. So most probably that would be green. So we're going to change that, or anything that would really fit in with our design. So I guess the white one is the perfect. So with that, if you notice on our screen right now, we're done creating an infographics using Canva. So undeniably, it is really easy for us to create infographic using Canva, considering that there is already a ready-made template. So all we need to do then is to really input the text or the content and do some necessary changes in terms of the elements that we want to use. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create infographic using Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.